Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be comparing WordPress with Wix and which one is better. Now keep in mind, both of these have free plans which anybody can use, but if you go for the premium version, that will of course cost you more. Now again, WordPress, as you can see here, is a bit more expensive when compared to Wix. But keep in mind, WordPress also comes with a lot more features and is more complex as compared to Wix. But then again, Wix has a very good user-friendly interface, which is great for beginners. It also has a range of tools such as Google Analytics, Google Business Profile, and what more. And WordPress has even more features. As you can see here, it has very SEO friendly themes. It has customizing permalinks, enabling breadcrumbs, and much more. Now again, Wix is great. It has a lot of functional tools, but it is a bit premature as compared to WordPress, which surpasses Wix with flexibility and functionality. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.